Hello, my name is Fabian, and I am a product manager at Stanley Black & Decker. Today, I'm going to show you one of our Ultima Zero Turns, the XZ7 L152i. Not to waste any time, let's start straight away with the specifications and features of the mower, which in themselves always aim to offer the user added value in one or more of the categories relevant to a zero-turn ride-on mower. These are power amp, performance, durability, and comfort. Our Ultima design features a solid tubular steel frame that makes the machine look attractive and modern, but also offers tremendous stability and robustness. In addition, the continuation of the frame into a roll bar is a protection that promises additional safety for the user and is an absolute must-have for us in products that are used in the commercial sector. Let's continue with the engine. Our XZ7 L152i is equipped with a powerful and high-performance 4-stroke Kohler engine. This 747cc air-cooled engine has a maximum power of 27 HP and is a so-called EFI engine. What does EFI mean? EFI stands for electronic fuel injection, and it means that the engine has electronically controlled direct fuel injection. So far so good, but what do I get out of it as a user? It offers two decisive advantages. On the one hand, the engine works at a more stable RPM level even under load, which means that the mower performs well even under increased strain. And on the other hand, direct petrol injection usually leads to comparatively reduced fuel consumption, which in turn reduces operating costs and is therefore easier on the wallet. Next, I would like to talk about the mowing deck, which together with the frame and the engine can be seen as the most important basic components of the machine. The extremely stable and enormously durable deck used in this model is what we call a fabricated deck with additional reinforcements. As one of the world's leading manufacturers for this type of mowing decks, which is produced in our highly specialized production plants in the USA, we are particularly committed here to offering robust and high-performance solutions that provide a good and clean quality of cut. The cutting width of this model is, as the name suggests, 152 centimeters and is recommended for an area of up to 15,000 square meters. As mentioned at the beginning, comfort is also an important aspect to make the work as pleasant and fatigue-free as possible. Let's stay with the mowing deck right away. The deck lift is foot-pedal controlled and makes raising the deck a breeze. The 16 possible deck height adjustment options can be easily selected with a knob below the dashboard when the deck is lifted. Furthermore, the mower has a very comfortable seat with armrests, which can be easily adjusted and adapted to the individual needs of the operator. Also worth mentioning in this context are the front wheel suspension, as well as the vibration-absorbing handles and rubber floor mats, which also contribute significantly to a comfortable mowing experience. Without going into detail, here are a few additional facts. The unit has bright LED headlights, an integrated hour meter, a special coating that makes the frame even more durable. The lap bars can be adjusted without tools, and the large 24 x 12-inch rear wheels are particularly gentle on the lawn, with very good traction. In addition to the good specification and outstanding features, the machine also comes with an included mulching kit, various accessories can be attached, and of course, a separately available collection bag can also be fitted, making it an even more versatile all-rounder. As a proof to our confidence in the durability of our XZ7 and XZ8 models, we offer a warranty of 3 years or up to 500 hours of operation for both residential and commercial use. I love our great products. Go and visit your local Cub Cadet dealer, which you can find on our website, cubcadet.eu.